Hey, welcome back to my vault. Today I want to share with you how to do a ballerina. Ballerina is an intermediate trick that is super pretty. You can already hear it from the name ballerina. It's just like super elegant, and it's definitely sort of like my go-to trick when I sort of want to do a flowy, graceful routine. So if you're interested in learning the ballerina, then keep on watching. So getting into a ballerina, you either want to get into it from a chuck to a left leg hook, or from a one arm hang to a left leg hook as such. So if I demonstrate it, it's from either a chuck, and then when you chuck, your left leg comes around the pole and wraps around. So you want to think of your left outside ankle touching the pole as such. So this is obviously going to be aerially, but for now I'm going to demonstrate it from the floor. After that, you want to think of pretty much shifting your body to the left and dropping your whole body, entire body to the left. Think about doing a side kind of bend on the pole. So your left side is crunched and then your right side is extended. This is a really crucial step, or else you won't be able to grab your right foot. So you're here, your left ankle is hooked, you shift your left side of your body and then you slide down. And then while you're sliding down, you want to think of also sliding your right hand down as well, because you don't want to leave it there or else you won't be able to slide down. Think about shifting your grip from here onto the inside of your arm right there. And then you should be able to release your right hand. Once you get there and you can release your right hand, get your right foot up, and while you're doing that, make sure you look up towards the pole and then search for your right foot. Oops. Search for, oh God, the spin pole. Search for your right foot and then extend. I shall demonstrate it up the pole. So I'm going to be demonstrating it from a one arm hang to this left hook here. So from here, spinning climb, around, hook your left leg. You can also use this bottom left hand to support. It'll be much easier. So while you're doing that, shift to your left side of your body, and meanwhile, slide this right hand down the pole, get into your arm there, look towards the pole, grab your right foot and extend. And then you should be able to get your left hand off. Coming down. And there you have your ballerina. Thank you so much for watching this ballerina tutorial, and if you have any concerns, questions, trick requests, feel free to comment down below. If you want to privately message me, feel free to contact me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok, all at Chloé Uchida. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!